Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you how to use HDFC gift card on Amazon. Open any browser on your mobile or computer. Type amazon.in in the search bar and search. When the Amazon website loads, log into your account. Make sure your HDFC gift card is activated. Check if the card has sufficient balance. Verify that the card has not expired. Ensure the card supports online transactions. After logging into your Amazon account, go to the gift card section. Click on Add a gift card. Enter your 15-digit HDFC gift card code. Click on Add gift card to balance. The amount will be added to your Amazon Pay balance. Add the items you want to buy to your cart. Click on Proceed to Buy. At checkout, select Amazon Pay balance as your payment method. Complete your order and pay using your Amazon Pay balance. Thanks for watching another video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a daily drop.